Someone asked, how do you get beyond the thinkingness of the mind? And beauty is one of the most immediate ones. The beauty of the music takes you out of thinkingness in one instant. It's like incredible beauty immobilizes the mind. So, beauty then is the awareness of the grace of God, which is different than discussing the various things we discuss. It's the way around the mind. Somebody asked, how do you stop that thinkingness? You become enamored of God instead of enamored of the thoughts. To discern the presence of God in all that exists is a gift that suddenly comes forth of its own when the willingness to surrender all that stands in its way. The gratification, the satisfaction, the excitement of thinkingness, feelingness, emotions. It's a great leap because we transcend the instincts of the animal, we transcend the thinkingness of Homo sapien, and respond to the divinity within us. We said this morning, and verified it, out of the unmanifest arises the manifest. Out of the manifest arises existence as beingness. And with that existence arises consciousness and the energy of life. Therefore, all that has life arises from the unmanifest to the manifest through existence and beingness, through consciousness and awareness. All that is created by God has within it divinity. Let's see if that's so. All that exists has within it its source as divinity resists. Consequently, then, the awareness of the presence of God as the source of one's own existence is innate within consciousness itself. It is already present, and it's only a matter of letting go of the identifications with all that stand in its way.